Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex Q coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today on this one. You know how we do it on this channel. All our posts are winning strategies that enable you win in a very wonderful way, as long as you apply every single rule given to you to trade with it, right? If this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell right now so that you be the first to get notified the moment I release new strategies. Okay, now this strategy I've posted it earlier for those using their PCs. Okay, this is the period separator strategy, and a lot of you were really on my DM asking me to create this strategy for mobile users. Okay, so that's why I had to make out time to bring this strategy out for you guys so that you can keep winning. All right, a lot of people will tell you, hey, come buy my strategy, this, this, but you get to notice that one thing that I do is I don't sell my strategies. So take note, do not let anyone chat you up telling you is Team Legend or is the Bullish Bear Academy and we'll have and telling you we have an indicator for sell or we have a strategy for sell. I don't sell my strategies. Whenever I see winning strategies that is worth giving out to you guys, I give it out. All right, and anyone I know that is something should be kept secret, I keep it secret with my students in the Bullish Bear Academy. All right, so one thing you want to do is to make sure that you be part of the academy. Right, go straight to description below at the same time and click the link to join my Telegram channel, because in my Telegram channel we win a lot, we keep winning. I give free signals and signals that are winning signals, not anyhow kind of signals. All right, you can take a look at what we've been doing lately. All right, can take a look at what we've been doing lately. I give signals that you don't want to miss. A lot of traders won in that trade when I give that signal, so you want to make sure you be part of it. Right, back to the main thing, the period separator strategy. You know already what the period separator is all about. Okay, it separates a day from a day. Okay, it separates a period of trading from a period of trading. Okay, so this is a 15-minute time frame, so you get to understand that this strategy works well on a 15-minute time frame. Zoom level, I'll take it deep in and bring it up 1, 2, and that's enough. All right, zoom level is 2. Okay, so on the indicator we have the RSI and we have the moving average. I'll give you the settings once I'm done explaining how to follow this strategy. Before I proceed, I would like you to understand that I'm bringing up a boom and crash training on the 20 and 21st of November. Okay, and you don't want to miss that training because something special is about it. And that's after the training, 50 students who attend the training are going to be going home with a sum of $100 cash, and it's not a joke. This is one thing I've never done before, training students and awarding them, because I've seen that a lot of traders I've been teaching have been doing quite well. So I think this is high time I start celebrating my students. So this training is going to take place on the 20th and on the 21st of November, okay, 2021. Okay, so if you know you want to be part of this training, you want to learn how to trade the boom and crash like a professional, how I trade it. If you want to be a professional trader like me or even more than me, you want to make sure you don't miss this training. Okay, the fee is $20, as little as nothing. With the same $20 you keep blowing out to the broker every single day. If you invest it on yourself and say to yourself, I want to use this $20 right now and learn this trade very well, it's gonna go a long way for you than blowing up those accounts in the name of trying to grow a money that you don't even know the techniques of how to grow it. So I advise you, trader, invest this little $20 on yourself and come and acquire the knowledge. By at the end of the training, you might likely be one of the 50 winners to grab the $100 cash. You can imagine that. after training you win $100 to start your trade. Come on, you don't want to miss it, right? So make sure you take advantage of it. So you want to make sure you come to my channel so you get to see the post here and click the link to join. A lot of traders, almost 100 traders, have already joined and are really and eagerly waiting for the D-Day. Okay, so you want to make sure you be part of it. The registration has not started. Okay, the portal for registration is going to be open on the 15th of November. For now, all the traders are just in this room and waiting for the training to begin. Okay, so let's get straight to the business of the day. Now, according to my strategy, it says that when price is on overboard, I should be looking forward to selling. Okay, but you don't just sell anyhow. I always advise traders, apply price action. Okay, because with the help of price action, you will be able to understand when price have really gotten to overboard or oversold, because sometimes the indicators, they do lag. Not even sometimes, all the time indicators lag. So you don't want to fall prey to fake overboard and fake oversold levels. Okay, so you want to make sure that you apply price action to be able to figure out when price have really gotten to overboard or oversold. If you want to know how to really identify when price have gotten to overboard and oversold, tutorial that I made, and I taught you a lot of traders how to really spot that out. Okay, if you come to my Telegram channel, okay, let me just show you how to get to it. If you come into my Telegram channel, you click on the pin post. This is that training. Once you click on the pin post, it's gonna take you straight to that training. This is the video for that training. Okay, so you want to make sure you watch it. The secret strategy to trade boom and crash. You want to watch it to really know how to figure out when price have really gotten to overboard and oversold. So that's not what I'm going to teach you here right now. Okay, so if you look at this trade, I've been on it ever since yesterday night, when I spotted out the fact that price had gotten to an oversold level. Okay, so this is the trade. Currently is $65 in profit, and if you observe, I'm on the lowest lot size of all. Okay, so I don't like to over leverage. So I've been on the ride ever since that yesterday night. So price have been playing around zones. As you can see, it's been playing around zones. Now it's gradually spiking down. So at this junction, I'll be looking forward to taking all my profit, because price have really showed me that it has gotten to overboard and is ready to spike down. So I will likely have to take all my profits and begin to look for a proper selling opportunity to catch all the spikes. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing. So with the help of the period separator, you'll be able to know, look, whenever price gets into a new day, this is the work of this period separator. Whenever price gets into a new day, like you see, price came into a new day and went down for a while. Okay, once you see the direction price gives you for a while, you want to keep observing to find out where the reversal will take place. Okay, because once the reversal takes place, if it begins to go the other way direction, it's going to always go very long. And as you can see, that's how it really went till it got to a certain level where it began to fall back down, which was the overbought level of this. Okay, so you want to be using these two techniques to figure out what's happening together with your price action. So I call all the spikes when I found this opportunity. I call all those spikes, and then I started riding this one again when I found price had oversold, and at the same time I found out that price is almost the day is almost closing. And whenever the day is almost closing, there's always likely to be price doing some funny moves. Okay, so for instance, now we get to see how price got into a new day, went down for a while. After going down for a while, what happened? It started going high up. Now it has gotten to an overbought level of the entire move of the day, and is doing what is it doing? It's beginning to go down. By the time price gets hold down to oversold, the day should have been closed. All right, so that's exactly how it works. Let me just take you back and let's observe some more. Here we get to see how price came, consolidated for a while, and then got into a new day after the period separator, went down for a while, and after that, what happened? Price started going high up. Don't fill in the form. Okay, So price started going what? High up. You see that move? You see that move after the oversold? Price started going high up, very very high. And what happened when it started? When the day was about to close, price gave a little funny move to the downside and then broke into the new day. And after the new day, what happened? Look at this, traders. When they broke into the new day, it went off for a little while, and after a little while, it went deep down, right? Deep down, until what happened? It got to another certain level. That is why your price action must always be on point, because with the help of your price action, you get to know areas and zones where price have really gotten to overbought and oversold, because your indicators will always lag. Okay, your indicators will always lag, so you cannot just trust the indicator fully. Okay, you can trust the indicator fully. So with the help of your price action and the period separator strategy and your indicator, three confluences, you will always have good moves. You will always have good moves. You see how price spiked down, got into a new day, and started tracing back upward. Okay, so you need to understand how to follow the simple rules that guide this strategy. So I advise you, traders, use this on your demo account severally. Use it on your demo account severally until you know how to use the strategy well, and then you apply it to your real accounts. Okay, don't just go straight to your demo. No, don't just go straight to your real account. No, as you can see, this is my real account. All right, so I've been using it on my demo account until I found how good it is, and I'm using it on my real account now. So now for the settings, you have the RSI indicator. The RSI indicator to be period 14. Apply to close. Make sure the pixel, the style is 1 pixel, and the color of the background, because you don't want to see anything on your chart from the RSI there. Then under your levels, you have 20, 80, 70, and 10. OVS oversold, OVB overbought. Okay. Then you have the moving average to be 21 as period. Shift, make sure it's 5. Method, exponential, apply to open. Style, white. Okay. Then whatever color you desire though, but make sure it's something visible to the background. There's no level on that, then you want to click on done. Then finally, the period separator, how to set it up on your mobile phone. You want to click on the screen. Okay, click on settings, and under settings you have show period separator. This is it, so you click on it. Okay, so right now it's on the chart. If I click on it, if I unclick it, you notice that there won't be period separator on the charts. Okay, so to set it back up, you go to settings and go straight to period separator, show period separator, and you have it on your chart. I remain your one and only forex skill coach, Team Legend. Traders, keep winning. You see price is still spiking down. Keep winning, traders.